How to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So first of all, now open up your Snapchat app. After you open your Snapchat, now tap on this Ask Us in Our Chat section. In this video, I'll show you 4 methods on how to find out how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So the first method is, after you open this section, now go and tap on this search and search for the facing username that you are just guessing that person has blocked you. So just go and type in the facing username like this. After you type in the facing username but you cannot be able to see the facing on your Snapchat account, that means that that person has blocked you. You are not be able to see his username. So the second method is, tap on the search again and search for the facing real name. So search for the facing real name like this. After you search for the facing real name, as can see now, and you find some, as can see now, if you found some people but you cannot be able to see the person again after you search for his real name, that means that that person has blocked you. You cannot be able to search his account by his username and by his real name. So the third method to search or to know if someone blocked you, now you can go ahead and under this chat, as can see now, tap on this chat. Under this chat, now you can go ahead and find out the chat that you had with that facing. So if you cannot be able to see the conversation that you made with that facing, that shows that that facing has blocked you. Now you cannot be able to connect, you cannot be able to see everything about his account. That is that method. So the last method to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat, does now you can go ahead and collect your friend's Snapchat account. So if you just collect your friend's phone, now go ahead and search for the facing name on you or on your friend's Snapchat account. So just if you open your friend's Snapchat account, go and type in the facing name like this. If you type in the facing name like this, and you can be able to see the facing like this, if you found out you can be able to see the facing account like this, now that means that that person has blocked you but he did not block your friend. That's the best method to know if someone blocked you. If someone blocked you, you cannot be able to see his profile on your account, but you can be able to see his profile on other people's account if he did not block that person that you want to use his account to check. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.